Of course, you guys are all vloggers and bloggers, so please live stream it, feed it. I'm all up to date on that sort of stuff, tweeting and etc. But you guys know how to do that, so do your thing. We're going to introduce the boys as well. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the show and why I'm here to be introducing Tap Dogs. And then the boys are going to do some performances for you, and I'm just going to say, it's going to be loud. Just to be honest, it's going to be loud. So, I'll do this. How about that? And then it's Fashion Week, right? If I missed it. So I'm Adam Garcia. I've been involved with Tap Dogs for about, I don't want to say how old I am, but since I was about 17. And the show itself started in Australia. It started as like a 25-30 minute thing at before Stomp first came out to Australia. So it was like it did a double show with Stomp, and it was this thing that Dean Perry created with a bunch of guys, and I was actually in that rehearsal process, and then I decided to come to England. So I met Dean when I was about 15. He was my tap dance teacher. He took me under his wing. We went and did Hot Shoe Shuffle, brought it to England. I stayed in England. He went back there, started Tap Dogs because there's not a lot of tap dancers, and he's the foremost tap dancer in Australia. So he decided to create the show. It's effectively just about a group of guys and now some girl musicians who are effectively on a work site, and they erect their work site whilst dancing with all sorts of mediums, from water to metal to wood to things that split apart. It's incredibly exciting. I did it finally in 2012 here in London, and it's a horrifically energetic show to do. You'll always blow out a hangover. Should I say that? You'll always blow out a hangover doing Tap Dogs the next day. And I'd waited a long time to do it, and it's the most amazing show to do, and I was very pleased to be able to do it. But now it's back. It's coming to the Peacock Theatre, which is a Sadler's Wells theatre. You can get your tickets at Sadler's Wells website. Opens the 23rd of October, running for 3 weeks until the 10th of November. I'm really excited to see it. I haven't seen it since I did it. So, and in that time, Dean always works on it. He always, and like new guys are coming in. Some guys have done this a lot of times before. Some guys are, fresh. Mr. Reed Perry, who will introduce himself. Your name might give it away. And they're sort of invigorated. He's always working on it, the multimedia. There's new screens. There's two amazing musicians. There's a soundscape. It's like a rock show on stage with guys absolutely smashing some amazing tap choreography, and it's incredibly exciting to watch. And I can't wait to see it again. So, on that note, I'm going to introduce you to AJ, who plays the foreman, and you're going to do a solo first. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
So he's going to impress you with his flying feet. AJ,
all right.
by the way.
Yeah. Hey,